Hi there. I'm Erin Jansen, founder of netlingo.com, here to bring you the internet word of the day. Let's just dive right in and see what we've got here. So, as always, here we are on netlingo.com. And by the way, I've added the search bar at the top, which makes it super easy to search the thousands of terms here. We also have the top level nav here, which I like to point out because it's also in bite-sized chunks, so you can learn things in easy ways. And then, of course, we come down to the internet word of the day, scarecrow technology. Oh, this is a good one. I love when business terms come up because there's so many business phrases and expressions and jargon in here. I always get a kick out of it. So let's see what this means. Scarecrow technology, slang for a piece of technology that's been hyped up, but when examined and used, reveals no uniqueness or value other than its marketing image. Hence, scarecrow. For example, that so-called modern object-oriented technology he developed was just a bunch of database requests inside a button click, but they used it as scarecrow technology during the M&A talks. Now, I work in the high-tech industry, and let me tell you, people really talk like that. Um, let's find out exactly what that means. We obviously know what hyped up means. M&A is mergers and acquisitions. So here's one thing I do want to show you. See up here under the home, that always takes you back to the home page, the dictionary, which you can browse by first letter or the symbols or the entire dictionary. And then we have by category. And look here, we've got texting terms, acronyms, smiley, there's business, jargon, marketing, hardware, software, programming. I'm telling you, object-oriented technology is in there. Technology, technical terms, and then just bubble up all the new ones that's been added. So since we've got a scarecrow technology business jargon here, let's just take a look at here. So here's the category, online business. And as you can see here, I've set it up in a frame so you can easily sort of scroll through here and then click on a term and the definition appears right next to it. All of these terms here have been designated business jargon, and there's a lot. Look at it. Here's the scroll again. Look at this. So much fun. I mean, like I say every time, I'm a geek. I get a kick out of this. Lots of buzzwords. Buy the drink. That's a fun one. I should really create a game, right? That's what I'm gonna do. Create an app, business jargon app. All right. So that's just to show you how the categories are set up. All right. We went to business, and then you can just click, see the definition, or scroll all the way down. So many. I'm only at the E's. And this is business. I love it. Hot issue. Iconoclast. And as always, you can search in the search bar right there too. So let's jump back to the homepage and see what the acronym is today. Internet acronym. Oh, it's the number 4, pronounced for, obviously, which stands for either FOR or the number 4. All right, let's take a gander into here. See, we've got 411, which means information. Get it? Like the number you dial. 404 means I haven't a clue. This is a great one. It's from the original Not Found 404 page. There's no use asking him. He's 404, dude. And then forever. Okay, short for forever. This is all jargon. Okay. And anytime you go into the acronym of the day, you always have a link to the list of every texting abbreviation and online acronym you'll ever need to know. Someone just told me that it was featured on the Today Show, that grandparents and aunts and uncles and parents still want to keep in touch with what the kids are talking about. And I'll tell you, there's sites out there that have acronym lists, but they don't have just the internet kind of jargon or the modern day slang. And that's what NetLingo's here to provide for you. In fact, it's all written and edited by me, a woman, in a unique signature style, sort of an everyman's language. I like to say it's as if I'm describing technology to my mother, and she gets a kick out of that. So I encourage you to come visit the website, take a look at the words of the day, and go ahead and browse around. There's all kinds of good sections and features for you to explore. Okay, well, if you've ever heard of scarecrow technology or used it at work, give me a comment below because I'm always interested to hear if people have actually heard it and used. I actually have, way back in the day when I worked at Microsoft. So I appreciate you joining me today. Until next time, I'll see you online.